Welcome to the Zip Code Cipher channel. We're here to inform you on today's trends and tomorrow's forecasts when it comes to the real estate industry. Wanted to make this video real quick because we got in news. It just came out. Says Trump announces $12 billion aid package for farmers caught up in the trade war. We went ahead and pulled up in the Reventure app some of the top states. I know three of them were Iowa, Illinois, and Minnesota. So Iowa is consistently one of the top two states in the U.S. for both corn and soybean production. It's also a large producer in pork, which is another key export of commodity in the disputes. Also, Illinois is another big exporter of agricultural goods, including soybeans and corn. They're obviously having issues as far as with international trade markets and such. And Minnesota, being a major producer of soybeans and corn as well, farmers are often dealt with some type of high input costs and so on and so forth because of the tariffs that were put on. So what we wanted to do real quick was come on and show you something interesting. So here's Iowa and the inventory. As you see, it's been increasing since 2021. It was about 6,700 homes on market for sale. Now it's sitting at almost 12,000 homes, which is way over the mean. But when you look at the price forecast over the next 12 months, it's actually going to be a 1% increase. And the reason we wanted to show this and bring this up because this is going to bring liquidity to the area. This is going to bring liquidity to the states, and this will affect the housing market. So, here was just a quick rundown of what Iowa as a whole, as the state, is looking. Again, a 1% over the next 12 months price forecast. Now moving into the next state, which I think was Illinois. Yeah, it was Illinois. So Illinois bottomed out in 2023 at about 19,628 homes for sale. And now for the year, currently they're sitting at 22,603. Again, just like Iowa, there's a home price forecast for the next 12 months increasing. So like we mentioned before, there's going to be liquidity, when this aid package, if and when this aid package goes through, this is going to be affected. So we could potentially see, more of more pressure upwards as far as home purchases or such. And then last but not least, we wanted to bring up Minnesota because, like we said before, they are a major producer of soybean and corn. So here they did hit a low in 2021 of 11,435 homes. Now they're sitting at almost 15,000 homes. They're almost back to some type of a mean average. And then they're sitting on a 2.6 home forecast. It is saying stable, but with this liquidity that could potentially be coming into Minnesota from this aid package, it could see, we could see home prices potentially spiking here. So this is something we need to keep an eye out and keep looking for, and we'll keep you up to date on this. But other than that, if you want to know what's going on in your area, please put your state or your zip code below, and we'll try to make a video just for you. And we hope that you have a very, very good day.